Hello students, welcome once again. Today we are going to study about the elements of novel or novella. There are 6 important elements which are essential for novel or novella. All these factors may be related to one another in the work by an author. The first element is theme. Theme is the central idea of the novel, which can be expressed in a nutshell. In short, this theme can be expressed. It is a philosophical statement or a truth which the writer has put forth through the narration of the series of events in the story and characters acting in the particular setting. The second important element of novel is plot. Plot is actually the story or the course of events that make up the theme. It is created by the conflict, either internal or external. Plot may be simple or complex. The third element of novel is character. Characterization is related to the plot as the course of events take place because of the certain behavior of characters. The reader follows the action of one main character throughout the novel. This character is referred to as the protagonist. Protagonist is the main character, is in conflict with a character or an entity or a force which may be internal or external, which is known as antagonist. The next element of novel is setting. Setting is the background in which the story takes place. There are several aspects of setting, which includes place, period, time, climate, weather and lifestyle. Plot and character are the two major elements that are affected due to setting. The next element of novel is conflict. The struggle between two opposite forces in the story is called conflict. Conflict in the story provides interest and curiosity about the plot. This is one of the major elements which makes the story interesting. Language or style. The language and the techniques used by the author for the narration of the course of events is known as the style. Author can use extensive vocabulary and high phrases, or he may be laconic and would write only to the point, and he may mix both according to the requirement for meeting his purpose. He may use linguistic device to make the narrative effective. All these factors decide the texture of the narration and create an impact on the readers.
Typical rural language or typical high society language is an example of language or style of the author.